Prime Minister Narendra Modi's outreach to international leaders was begun in his very first term in office, and these ties have cemented over the last several years. While the Prime Minister's foreign trips were rebuked by the opposition, it has placed India firmly on the foreign policy front. We look at some friendships that have endured. Modi became the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Israel, and it is owing to his shifting foreign policy that India and Israel, often called natural allies, were brought close. It is well known Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Modi share a rare friendship, which is of course political and appears to be personal as well. They exchange birthday greetings and have openly acknowledged each other as friends. On the BJP's landslide victory in 2019, both leaders had exchanged tweets attempting to write in the other's mother language, Hindi and Hebrew. Friendship with the former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was also nurtured by Prime Minister Modi. Abe recently resigned from office owing to chronic ill health. On September 12th, lauding Indo-Japan ties, Abe shared a thread of images from his visit to India in 2015 and 2017 and from the Prime Minister Modi's visit to Yamanashi in 2018. Prime Minister Modi retweeted the images, calling Abe his good friend and that the memories were fond ones. Earlier, Modi had said he was pained to hear about the ill health of his good friend Abe, to which Abe replied that he was deeply touched by the Prime Minister's warm words. Another leader whom Prime Minister Modi has referred to as his dear friend is French President Emmanuel Macron. India and France have been closely cooperating for years, and recently, on the day that India inducted the Rafale fighter jets into the Indian Air Force, French Defence Minister, who was present at the occasion, said, "You can count on us," while recalling how India was on France's side during the peak battle against COVID-19. France has also endorsed a permanent seat for India at the UN Security Council. On July 14th, on Bastille Day, Modi tweeted greetings to Macron and said, "We are committed to further strengthening India's important strategic partnership with France and expanding our cooperation." Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has spoken of his admiration for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and even described the Indian Prime Minister as his elder brother. Prime Minister Modi nurtured the ties with Saudi Arabia even in the aftermath of Pulwama, considering it has influence over Pakistan. Modi has often invoked the ancient ties India has with Arabia and has called the kingdom India's good friend. Last, but certainly not the least, Prime Minister Modi and former US President Barack Obama also struck a friendship, making President Obama the first US president to be the chief guest at India's Republic Day celebrations in January of 2015. He was the first American president to be so and visited on the personal invitation of Modi. Months after his visit to India, Barack Obama penned an opinion piece in the Time magazine on Modi titled "India's Reformer-in-Chief." India has been deepening ties with the United States even under the presidentship of Donald Trump.